welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to get free race rerolls in the Forge. And let's get straight into the video. So essentially the only way as of right now, I believe, to get free race rerolls is by entering the codes. And the codes is obviously from the guy who made the game, so every once in a while you should check out the front page of the game, or you can go ahead and go online and search up Forge codes, because once the codes are out, if there's a new code, that code will most of the time give free race rerolls. So what you want to do is, anyways, right now there is a code that is available that does give race rerolls. So what you want to do is go over to settings, go over to codes, and go ahead and type in this code right here. Now once you type in this code and you claim it, you will get 10 free race rerolls. So that is basically, as of right now, I believe the only way to get race rerolls. So you do have to wait, but once the codes are out, sometimes it's a lot of codes that are out, so you can get a lot of race rerolls from that. So yeah, that should be it for the video. That is how to get free race rerolls in the Forge. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.